Okay, so I came into Photoshop. This is the Photoshop 24 beta, and I'm just posting. It's just a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun, and so I've got another situation where I want to fix something. I have no idea if this beta version of Photoshop will work or not, but let's give it a try. So I want this guy here. I've already selected his face. And normally I would go over here and adjust things up here, but I want to just see if Photoshop will let me lower the reds in his face. He's just he's got a little bit of reddiness to his face. I'll see if I can just lower that red. So lower red tones in skin to match, to blend in with the other people in the image. So, all right, let's give it a shot. It usually takes, I don't know, 5 seconds, so bear with me. I only do this because I know any day it's going to be a thing of the past, and I think it's funny. So, oh Lord. Okay, let's undo. Yeah, there's read. Do you think he'd mind? I don't think he'd mind. You thought you looked like this, but you don't. You really look like this. Oh gosh, they always give you 3 examples, so let's just see. Oh Lord, first guy was at least looking like a real person. Wow. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh goodness. Okay, this is an angry guy. So I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to do with these faces of people that don't really exist. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. All right, well, it's entertaining me at least. I don't know if you don't like it, don't watch, I guess.